Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a Walmart haul. I'm so excited to share with you a ton of new summer arrivals from Walmart, all super affordable, all casual, perfect for the everyday girl. So if you're interested in what's new at Walmart, just keep watching. Okay, two quick updates. If you haven't noticed, maybe this is your first video of mine. Hi, I'm Ariel. I'm so glad you're here. I am back to my roots. So it is a blonde girl summer, they're calling it, and I'm really excited to have my brown hair back. I have needed this for so long and I'm just so excited. So back to my natural hair color, and then we moved. I'm so excited. We are in a new house. We actually moved across the border to North Carolina. So if you didn't know, we were in Virginia Beach and now we're in North Carolina. Super excited for that. So those are the updates. I am in my new space. Jeff and I, me and Tucker, we're all in our new space. And yeah, so just haven't been on since those two things have happened. And I'm excited to update you guys maybe in a later video. But let's get into the new arrivals at Walmart because they are so good. So good. And we'll talk about what I'm wearing because this color looks good on everyone for summer and you need it, and it's only like $5. So hang tight for that. Let's start out with a pair of sneakers that I am literally obsessed with. I love these sneakers from Avia, I think is how you say it. These are the women's athletic light runner shoes, and they have a wide width available in sizes 6 to 11. These get 4.5 stars and there's almost 2,000 and they're a bestseller. So free 90-day returns as always with Walmart, but I got the pink, and then I love the pink with the white, and then I also got the like lavender purple color with the pink on the bottom. I get my true to size 8 in these. It looks like the lavender is selling out really quick. I do have the white with the tan on the bottom and they're sold out completely. But if you want these, you gotta get them while they're in stock. They are so comfortable, so lightweight. These are on Cloud Look for Less and they're only $27. So $26.98, such a good price on these. Love them so much. You absolutely have to get them. I can't say enough good things about them. Okay, next up are these Silky pajama shorts from Joyspun. I'm like in my pajama girl era. I love these so much. These are the 3-inch inseam satin shorts from Joyspun, sizes extra small through 3X. I got the really pretty little cheetah pair, super cute, and they come in all different kinds of colors and colorways. I get my true size small in these and they fit perfectly. These are just so cute and they're right under $11 at $10.98. So really sweet. I love all of Joyspun. I also got from Joyspun 2 other sets from them. I got the cheetah print and then these that were on clearance in this beautiful tropic water floral bloom. You guys, you get the set for under $9. I cannot believe it. They are so silky soft. They wash and dry well. I just throw them in with light colors in the washer and the dryer, and they come out perfectly. So you wouldn't necessarily have to dry these in the dryer if you wanted them to stay nicer for longer. But like I said, they're so cheap anyway, or inexpensive anyway, that I just throw them in and they work. They come out perfect. So love those so much. And then let's talk about this really sweet free assembly women's beaded tank top. It's lightweight, sizes extra small through extra large. This is the ultra blue lemon beading. I love the little embroidered beads on this with the lemons. It's so comfortable, so soft. And then they also have it in a cream with the lemons. So I love this blue for summer. It really looks good on everyone. Got a size small, $20. You can't beat it. Gets really good reviews and it's so cute with the free assembly jeans that I paired it with. These jeans are so comfortable. They are a heavier denim, a more structured denim. They're not gonna be your super lightweight, flowy, stretchy denim. These are like a really, a thicker denim. So they're really nice and I love them. They're called the Free Assembly Women's High-Rise Cuffed Jeans with Patch Pockets. They have a 30-inch inseam. And they come in sizes 0 to 28. Really good reviews on this one again. I love a wide cuff denim. It's like so on trend right now. I size down 1 to a 2 in these. I have lost some weight, so I would say a 2 is pretty much my true to size right now. They also come, I got the light blue indigo wash. They also come in a railroad stripe. So if you're into that sort of thing, those are super cute. and those are almost all sold out. So if you wanted to pair that with like a little white tank top, some brown sandals, that would be such a cute outfit. But it looks like everything, oh, there's some larger sizes sold out, but the smaller sizes through 10, 14, looks like the 12 is sold out. So you might be able to pick up your size if you're in the 10 or below. Okay, one of my favorite things that I'm like a shorts and a tank kind of girl in the spring and the summer, especially the summer because it gets so hot here. We live at the beach and it is just like smoldering and humid. These Time and True women's textured cotton cover-up shorts are not see-through at all. You could totally wear these as a normal like athletic short. They're super cute, super comfortable. Love the high rise, love the thick drawstring. It's really, really cute. I got the black, they're $17 and they also come in vivid white. I'm not sure if the white would be see-through, so take a chance on that, but I love the black. Got a size small, they fit perfect. They're a good length, super soft and comfortable. Perfect for just like a multi-versatile short that you can use for all summer long. And whether you're going to the beach, pool, you just need something to run around and maybe get groceries, these are going to be perfect and they're super affordable. So I love those. And let's talk about probably the star of the show that I know most of you probably already have in your closet. I get this same variation every single year, or some variation every single year. This is the Time and True women's sleeveless knit swing dress, sizes extra small through extra, extra large. It has pockets, which I love. It is super comfortable. It's that slinky, really soft feel to it. It drapes really beautifully. Old Navy does this, Target does this, but I think Walmart does it the best. There are so many color options. Beautiful blue, stripes, pinks, like I said, more blues, orange, coral, yellow, green, all the different colors, and it's $9.98. Under $10 for this, and it feels like so comfortable and so nice. It washes and dries really, really well. It's gonna hold its shape. It's just so good. You have to get this and get it in multiple colors. You can pair this, I like to wear it to church. It is really cute with a denim jacket. So if you get cold in church, throw a cardigan, denim jacket over it, really, really cute, and something you're gonna wear all summer long. I just know it. I also got a ton of athletic shorts because I live in those in the summertime. And this Avia, I think is how you say it, brand. These are the hybrid seersucker shorts. I got them, but all the shorts I ordered besides the cover-up ones, I got in a size medium for some reason. I don't know what I was thinking. Way too big, so get your true to size. These do run like true to size, and I should have gotten a small. So I'm gonna post the picture here. I am gonna return those. I'll show you like on the screen the ones that I bought, and when they come in, I'll share them with you on Instagram and then like on a little post here on YouTube. But these come in really pretty colors. I got the blue spot color. They're only under $13, so $12.98. Really, really cute. I love the seersucker. It's just, I mean, if you're Southern, you know. So I love those. And then I also got this really pretty blue pair that, oh my gosh, I wish they fit so bad. I can't wait to get these in the mail. These are the Athletic Works women's running shorts, extra small to 4X. This beautiful, oh no, looks like the blue Santorini's out of stock, but if you're shopping, get this gorgeous cherry red. It's almost sold out. So stunning with like a white athletic top or a tank top. So pretty. So the blue sold out. Maybe they'll restock, but I love the red. And then let's talk about these tanks that I get my hair out of the way, from Time and True. I usually get some colors at Target, Old Navy, but I love the Walmart ones. They're so nice. These are a bestseller. Okay, the kicker is they're only $5, $4.98. Such a good price. You can literally stand to get every single color. Good neutrals. I got the beautiful blue color. I got black, and then I got this color I'm wearing right now, which is the Moda lipstick. it is the perfect like azalea blue or azalea pink. Such a pretty color. I got a size medium for a little bit of wiggle room. It doesn't show my bra, which is really nice. I can wear a regular bra with these and it's really nice, but it comes in lots of different colors. I could do a small or a medium and it would fit perfectly. So love those tanks, love the blue. And then I also got this tank from No Boundaries. This is the seamless tank top. I got to wear it with those running shorts. I don't think it has a built-in bra with it. This is a nylon fabric, so it's more of that like stretchy material. Comes in all of these fun, bright colors. You can get lime green, pink, blue, orange, black like I got. Comes in sizes extra, extra small to extra, extra large. I got a small in this one and fits great and I love it. So I'll be sharing that with you over on Instagram, but be sure to pick these up because these sell out quick because they're like some of their best selling items and they're only $5. So really good price. Get a couple of those to wear with your athletic shorts. And then these were probably my second favorite thing. I love that swing dress, but if I'm talking like athletic, I don't know, I love the pajamas too. It's hard to pick a favorite, but I love these shorts. I love the yellow mist color that I got. You guys, these are even prettier in person. They're so stunning. The butter yellow is trending for spring and summer, and this yellow mist is perfect. These are $13. I got a size medium in these, so I really needed a small, so get your true to size. So pretty. I love this color so much, and I love the print on these. Stunning. So you have to get those. And then everyone needs a good striped tank top for the spring and the summer. And these from No Boundaries are super cute and they're only $4. So $3.98. These are cut just in a little bit more. They don't have as thick of a band right here, like a, what do you call that? Edging. And they're just ever so slightly stretchier and a little bit thinner. So I think that's why they're a little bit less expensive. They're like $1 difference. I would say if you want a more, I don't know, you just know, like when you feel these tanks, I would get one of each and just see which ones you like better. But these I feel a little less casual and the black stripe one is a little bit more casual. So get whichever one you like. I got a size small in this one. Again, $3.98, such a good price. I also got it in pink and I also got it in black. So had to get a couple of those. And then these Scuba knit, you guys know I'm obsessed with the Scuba knit. I got these seamed shorts, which are perfect for traveling, wearing to the grocery store, picking up your kids from day camp or whatever they do during the summer. Yeah, so extra small to 4X. Really good reviews on this one. They come in really fun colors, but the only colors that are left are the black like I have, and then so heathered gray is left, and they are in some of the X, like 1X, 2X, 3X are sold out. So if you're in that kind of size, if you're in an extra, extra large or 4X or extra large, those are still in stock. So $16, such a good price for really nice, thick material and so comfortable. You guys know Scuba knit is the fabric that everybody is raging about, and for good reason, because it is so good. Okay, a couple pair of denim shorts that I got. These are $9.88, so under $10 from, ooh, it looks like they're on clearance. Smaller sizes are selling out, so be sure to get them while you can. These are from No Boundaries. These are the high-rise denim rolled cuff shorts on clearance, best sellers, 3-inch inseam, and these aren't see-through, but I did wear nude underwear, just so you know. So comfortable. They're like a really stretchy material without feeling like spandex. I don't know. If you know, you know. Some cheap denim feels like super spandexy and just cheap feeling. This doesn't feel that way. It feels really good. So some sizes still in stock. I also got the, let's see, is it the medium wash? Which other shade did I get? There are a ton of other shades that you can pick from, but I also got a different pair that I will share with you. These are the Time and True mid-rise denim shorts, and these are also a bestseller. Really good pricing on these, $14.98, and I love this wash. This is the medium wash. So you get medium wash, dark wash, and then they also come in black. And that is everything for this Walmart haul. I have more coming in the mail, so do not fear if you are a Walmart girly like me. Be sure you follow me over on Instagram. I share all the ways you can style these items over there at Ariel Carr, and I will be posting those to shorts as well. All the links will be linked in order of mention down in the description box and in a pinned comment for those of you that like to shop through the Like to Know It app. I'll have it over there as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you. Be sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.